Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off, power off, or shut down or restart your iPhone 16 Pro in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easiest way is going to be locating your volume up, which is directly under the action button, and then this side button. So you're going to press and hold these two buttons at the same time simultaneously for about a few seconds until a menu like this pop up. In order to power off, simply swipe all the way to the end and it will go ahead and power off. Now that's method number one. Now if you can't get that to work, another way to do it without the buttons is going into your settings, going to general, and then all the way down here there's a shutdown option where you can click on it, which will bring up a similar menu where you can simply slide again to power off. Now if that doesn't work for you, or you can maybe touch the screen, if you have Siri enabled, you can actually get Siri to turn off your iPhone by issuing a command like this: "Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone." Yes. And basically Siri will ask you to confirm, and then once you say yes, it will go ahead and power off, turn off, or shut down your iPhone just like that. And to turn it back on, you might be wondering, how do you do that, or power back on? All you're going to do this time around is just hold on to this side button until you can get the Apple logo to appear. At that time you'll let go. And if that isn't working for you, just go ahead and simply connect it to its charger. When the phone is turned off or power off, when it's connected to a charger, it automatically reboots the phone or turns it back on. So that's how you turn off and restart your iPhone 16 Pro, any iPhone that you have. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and giveaways on our channel. We'll see you guys next time.